my name's Crystal Liz, and today we're getting banged. So, bangs. Let's talk about it. They're such an easy way to like elevate your look without the commitment of like actually cutting bangs, because let's be honest, 2 weeks into cutting bangs, you regret it. That's just real talk. So my all-time favorite bangs are from the hair shop. That's where I get all my hair. That's where everyone I know gets all their hair. They have so many different kinds of bangs because believe it or not, one bang doesn't fit all. We're doing 3 different bang looks, and we've got one that's like a little more everyday. We're doing a 70s inspired, like sexy bang. And then we've got one that's like a little more wearable, kind of a night out, like fun event kind of look. So we put her hair in like a messy top knot, and now I'm just gonna clip in the V bangs right at the base of the bun. You kind of wanna line up the first clip like to the middle of your face. You don't have to go right under the bun if you don't want, because you can always like move this hair and kind of hide that little base. If you guys feel comfortable, you can always take some of the weight, because we're going for a piecier kind of look. I'm gonna mix a little pomade and some silk drops, and I'm gonna like really like piece these out. And then I left these whispers out in her hair just to make it like blend. And there you go. So for this edgier look, parted it down the middle, and I'm just gonna tuck all of these bits behind her ears. And I'm gonna go about 3 fingers deep in, and I'm gonna go about 3 fingers behind her hairline. And this depends like on your hair, really. And as you can see, they're a touch long, so we're gonna cut them. And how far you go is kind of up to you, but I really wanted to see these cheekbones, get the little hairs off, make sure to boop. Sometimes when you can see the hairline through the bang, it's a dead giveaway. Especially for this look, I would go with a thicker bang. Sometimes you just gotta buy a bang, try it out. If it doesn't work, oops. You know, it's not a big deal. We're on to the shaggy, sexy 70s inspired bangs. And we're gonna start with the middle part. And I'm gonna tuck like 1.5 inches behind her ear. And I'm gonna clip it like 2.5 fingers. And just watch this like instant transformation. So you know how I like kind of half tucked it? I wanna take what I didn't tuck and blend it in with these like long whispers from the bang. And to get that kind of shaggy, you wanna like really open this up. And you can always go shorter with a shaggy bang. Take a little bit of something matte, and the trick is like holding it here and opening it up here. I'm not really gonna texturize too precisely. I'm gonna just really feel it out. Sometimes there'll be heavier spots. Like right here, I really want that lift. So I wanna like take some of the weight out, but I'm not going too high up when I'm taking out weight. So we did 3 different bang looks for you guys. I think my favorite, oh, it's so hard to pick a favorite. Go in, try it on. You know, you'll love it. Thank you guys so much for watching our bang video. I hope you love it as much as we love making it. If you recreate any of these looks, please tag us. We love seeing your looks. Comment below on which one was your favorite, because I honestly couldn't decide. If you guys have any more bang suggestions, let us know. We would love to do another one of these. We love bangs, and we love you. And we love banging you. So subscribe here and click here for more videos. Bang me. Bang puns. Bang it out. Get banged. That bang, ba bang, bang, bang.